On the beach away me get me steam fish. Yes, on the beach away me get me steam fish. Out of this.
Oh, so this is a little spot.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's the life work, you know, cause you not going to make more, so.
Yeah.
I need some help right now. Desperately need some help.
Oh,
It's all of them places I know.
people, the place tight.
Yeah, I have a little studio I have in there, so.
Oh, you have your studio around there?
Yeah.
Blessed good day, welcome back to Your Man Family TV. You don't know, it's your boy Nigel. So today people, we're out by Hellshire Beach. If you don't know where Hellshire Beach is located in Portmore, St. Catherine, Jamaica. Hellshire Beach is famous for one of the seafood. Anything with seafood, Hellshire Beach is the place to come. When you talk about fried fish, when you talk about grilled lobster, anything steamed fish, you know, you name it, you will find it out here by Hellshire. So today we have visit this gentleman out here called Daddy Irie, right? So also we are seek some help for him as well. So anybody willing to help, we're gonna leave his information down in the description. All right, so let's go meet Daddy Irie. Place that over there, so
Yeah.
him did it before.
Man, place over there, in front of my shop, that's over by the left or right hand. Left hand going out, right hand coming.
Okay.
Okay.
So you see a long time you there out at Hellshire?
Yes, man. Only little time when I left here, I go book one girl a bag walk.
Oh, so you
get pretty with her, but I lose to a boy.
Oh, so how much kids you have?
Four, about 2 gone and left 2.
Okay.
So the biggest one I know now 50 yard.
In a 50 yard?
Yeah.
Okay.
So my daughter, I have a New York.
Oh,
My granddaughter, them well educated too, you know.
so then help you out and thing too?
Sometimes I sell one monkey money, but not much.
But you still give God thanks, right?
Give God thanks.
Yes.
What do I do? One little something, insert camera in my body for safe and my organ them defected. Don't find nothing.
Oh.
So I pay $35,000 for that.
Yeah.
No, I never do one blood test now. They say they something for my heart, but my not sugar. The thing with sugar my heart to make it work.
Yeah.
It must not work. When I find one blood test, a blood test me do over there. So they say something wrong. So I have to do a next blood test, but I have to pay for that now. So I don't know how much money that all costs.
Okay. So you do, so like how you do out there now, what you do for your living?
Well,
How you survive?
a fence work me really do, you know.
Fence work?
Metal fence. The last work me do over things last year.
Oh.
But the boss, the field boss, I tell me, me second now, say, me I get old now, so if you get new man, young boy. So for me hear that, I never call him, I go back.
Oh, so they want a young boy for the work, you know?
But nobody know, no young boy not deal with nothing. Young boy not deal with nothing.
Okay.
Rough, but give God thanks here, you know, brother.
Yeah, can't give up no matter what.
Because in my church, yeah.
Oh, the
But
church.
that's one of my church with one different place. Victoria Church, this is our Woodstone.
Oh, Woodstone. Which part that there?
That's out down the St. Anne's.
Oh, in a sentence. That's a far you leave from?
No man, we go there up to Sunday. I don't bother go with them because them don't go there Sunday.
Oh, okay.
Then have convention. So our convention will come up first week of November.
Okay.
Them all depend on me now if you look firewood for them and all of them sitting there.
So you look firewood and sell so you can make a little money and things?
Yes, over the girl them and too small they don't survive, but them man a bad mind me man. And then come back and see me. One at a time the woman I say me a thief in light because the woman them burn up the battery them night shop, plug out the fridge them. And I don't have enough current to take with that them. Because each panel I send 250 watt. One of brother they have bad mind me man. When they can't look at me now, they don't look at my face, they hold on the head when they see me. I'm conscious of bone. Yeah man, come in that place man.
So we're there with Daddy Irie.
Yes sir.
Oh, hello.
dark still, but
Hold on there, I turn on a light. Yeah. Hold on the people.
come on, man.
Yeah, dark man, that area man.
It's a light in a still.
Oh, so this is a little spot.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's a life work, you know, because you not going to make more, so.
yeah.
I need some help right now. Desperately need some help.
Oh,
I have all the boat out there to fix and all and sitting there, no money no there, but the material I buy put on, only the five I no buy.
Only the fiber.
Yeah, man, chat.
You can turn on your radio a little car, you don't know, we don't want to get copyright strike.
Yeah, man.
So what you say? You need to fix up your boat. So if you fix up the boat can help you to make a little living.
Yes, I make you look a little firewood down the sea and all the way there.
Yeah, so people him now look for depend on anybody, him just need a little help with him boat so him can start off. Him just a look at kickstart in life. So right here so you sleep.
Yeah, man, and my friend the man go come in and come video me, you know, and I have to go sleep on the bed and railway. So, you know, must see that video there?
Yeah, I'm gonna see videos there.
Me see it on me thing, yeah.
Oh, you see it on your TV? Oh.
See all of them, man.
Jano Star. So you say you really need the help.
You see how me
just
set.
look and see.
So me set.
I want a little tight spot with it.
Yes, man. I come right through here so you can come.
If you guys now say sorry for that, the place a little darkish. You not have no light that much to brighten up the place and thing.
Yeah,
so you say you want?
My morning prayer when me say my prayer morning time, you know.
So this is your morning prayer?
Yeah, my morning prayer.
Oh.
Yes.
See, it is a man of God.
Yeah, man.
So you can show people them some more I place like the people
man.
See where you got you.
Come through, man.
Look people. So question, if rain fall, you know flood out in here?
Me I look one drop in here so still, but you see all of them places I know.
People, the place tight.
Yeah, and me have one little studio me have in there so.
Oh, you have your studio around there?
Yeah, but it kind of mashed down now, so that's how I think go. While me voice most of me song them.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that area big artists in the people.
Yeah, and
you say I go bust some song for them later on?
Yes, man, me have everything.
So, around here say studio there. So I'm having studio equipment them, same way.
Yeah. Me have one little sound too, so that's the thing that you know.
So
Yeah.
we're outside now.
Yeah, it's a little shop I know. I know really my money really build this, you know.
Oh.
I one of my friend. But you what now, when you come for build the place, me tell him say he couldn't build it so. And he say me tell him say I'm my nephew. So I go tell the people them. So he go back go talk behind my back say well me and him are nothing. So he reach back the people them, so me can't talk back to the people them. Because when I go to them and I say the so-called nephew, so for me no idiot when you want
so
say
I rent here so.
you rent out about the woman rent it. You know what I go on because most of the panel them up there for me and her. So they cut off the wire them there and take away whole license them.
Oh.
See?
So around here side the back or here side the front?
Well you call say front just so you know. Or back or anyone you want to call it.
Oh.
Yeah. And we toilet and bathroom and that's all. We have one little place around the back.
So around here side the restroom side.
Yeah, and bathroom.
Them lock here look rusty like they never pull. So you pull it? I can see it.
For my beard sometime.
Oh, you bathe sometime in
But so we don't have enough water, then no problem with the water, so we fully jump up there.
Oh, you fully jump.
Yeah, so one time we just catch the water and something.
Yeah.
I'm going to go bathe.
Oh.
So that's how things set.
You say lock look rusty people.
Yeah, but it powerful same way.
It powerful same way.
And in some the toilet. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Nice man, yeah, flush toilet man. They're a little dark, but yeah. That's a good thing, man. When you have a bathroom, a toilet, and a little place where you can shower.
Me have, you see it? It's a septic tank around here, so. Yeah, they're on teeth back here, so. Don't worry, so. See it there? Yeah, septic tank around here, so.
So what that do?
When it full up, we get the choke and dry.
Oh.
Need the help, man. Need the help.
So people, if you can help out Daddy Irie.
Come on, you want to come through the gate?
Yeah. You want to go there? You can show more people.
Show boat, man.
Can help out Daddy Irie. So what they right here, so?
And them guys with scale fish, when we give them a little thing where we kill them fish and they have them something put up there. So what are my things them just see?
Yeah. So yeah people, if you don't want to help out Daddy Irie, we are going to leave him information down in the description. And also on the screen.
The board them and everything.
So the boat this way you want to fix?
Yeah, it can fix, man. The brother said it can fix it.
Where you say it can fix?
Yeah, man.
So people look on the boat.
A fiber, you know. Fiber easy to fix, you know.
Fiber?
Yeah, man.
I don't know nothing about boat.
Just buy the, you buy some fine what you call it, plywood.
Plywood.
The thin one them. And when you put on it on the side.
Yeah.
Inside there now, and when you set up it, apply by it and make it on the ground.
Yeah.
And the part you know, you copy it off on next boat like this.
Yeah.
And put on it. So no problem. This can't fix, I just the money me not have.
Yeah man, so Nation, he might look some help with the boat.
Yeah.
So if you guys can help him to fix up the boat,
Yeah, man.
just contact him. You can tell him your number again.
Number 812-1768, but to put in 876.
Alright, repeat it again with the 876.
876-812-1768.
Alright, so now get that people. Yeah man, so if you don't want to help him out, just contact him directly. And also his number go down in the description as well. No, say I used to have a whole packet up here, so on the evening them come out.
One time I go feed them, everybody run out.
Oh, so one on top of the roof there.
Because them everybody run home down there, but I don't want them, if I see them turn over there, so I run back at me, because of them turn. Anywhere I go, they want to go on the shed when I go. You want to go over the shed?
Oh, the music over there play. That's why I don't really want to go in the music.
I go talk to them.
No,
Let's go on.
So this fish head?
Yeah.
Oh, you see that people? So if you guys come at Hellshire and you want fish, see her here?
Red restaurant and bar.
Alright. Look on the wood fire. Chicken and pot. Nice fish head. Watch the wood fire. And festival over here, so. So if them come Hellshire, mommy, who them to come to?
Red restaurant and bar.
Yes, no man. Can't miss her. She have the best seafood out here, people. So we just take a look around and things. So where that's something here called?
Yes, bami.
That's bami. All who don't know bami, here it is. Made from cassava.
Yeah, so all these girls grow them in my hand when they're small, you know?
Yeah.
So they rate me as almost them father.
Alright. Yes, no man.
Yeah.
So you look around.
I do every little thing for them, you know. Anything with them light and kill them problem, I fix them.
So you're an electrician too?
You can't do that, man.
You can do your thing.
Yeah, man. I'm going to learn one.
Generally I help out 1 and 2 times in the bar. Yeah man, where place name again?
Red.
Red. Yeah man, here's how you come people when you come Hellshire. Look now man, them have a good seat where you can sit down pan, relax and chill. Walk out to the front, make you get to see it. That the area give you a tour. So one time, you know, you have beachfront right just so that the area.
That's why you want to have a beach. Link on the beach, not to keep right, that's a man. Link on the beach, all I want, that's all you know. I land, you know.
Whole out there so used to be
Yeah,
around.
road and mash up the place, because so them dig out the channel up there and all of those
Come
things
on the
happen.
side. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry if we just get some light so you can see him better, nation.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, what you say now?
The channel, the only part I landed there out front out there.
Oh,
At 3 times we just back 100 feet, so we can't go back no more.
oh, we can't go back no more. So if anything, them have to go just build.
Yeah, we have to build a line for that place, the build.
Like how over there so set up.
Yeah. And my friend them over there too, all over there.
Oh.
I see I road and mash up over there too. Because I see that step there. I go
That one?
down and stand there.
Oh, I remember one time when we used to come Hellshire, you have used to have sand
Yes,
where you can swim.
Right out. The only little land place we have to get from.
Oh,
But I have to wait just for a UDT place.
Oh. So yeah man, if you didn't know what Hellshire look like, people,
Look on Countryman movie.
look for Countryman movie, all who can remember what Hellshire look like, comment down below and tell you as well what you did think, what you remember me to say, alright? But this is what Hellshire look like now. Small beachfront. I'm going to show you some little bit clippings like that as well. So we're going to walk out Hellshire Beach, people. Okay guys, see how it look normally during the week. On weekend it's busy, but during the week it's not so busy. Monday I come on holiday. Yeah, so on holidays and weekends, Hellshire Beach is busy. But during the week, we're going to show you what it look like, alright? So, walk with me. Oh. Alright, so we are walk out Hellshire Beach with Daddy Irie. Gonna see what go on. So, a whole lot of people not come out here during the week. And mostly on weekend.
Yeah, like Sunday. When holiday. No people here see no, because how much car there.
So a whole lot of people still there, same way.
People still there, man.
But mostly on weekend
Yeah.
and holiday out here pack. A whole heap of restaurant there out there same way. So everybody try to find customer.
Yeah, but now you shed.
So a new one right here, so
If you just become a league,
yeah.
and you can build them. Go get somebody and call them. I have no friend on that corner here. We can't go there, go chat to them down at that place.
Don't I the sea part there, so
Yeah, our friend down there. Yeah, video.
yeah man. Up and running live. Vision soon pass back there. Soon pass back there. Me a forward back man. Rasta Chi and them.
Yeah, one cousin over there, so I'm going to link.
So down there say boat them come in with the fish them. Right there, so.
Yeah, that one cousin over there, so I'm going to check him.
Which part? In the shop here, so?
Yeah, I'm finished it.
So here, shop here, so?
Master the boat?
No, mushroom gone.
Alright.
So you don't have to say, you say the boat them come in with the fish them. So Hellshire Beach is busy to the nation. But remember people used to can swim right here, so
Yeah, man, I see myself here, man.
I go look around there. Let's see what I go on.
The pit, what about pit in the water there?
People still are swim right here, so man.
The pit with them.
So them here the banana boat them.
Them are fishing boat.
Fishing boat.
Mm.
So one of them you want to set up your boat look like?
Yeah.
Oh.
In that area, I want fishing boat, but I got help me. I can buy a new boat now. I make man go see with you. I mean, send one of my brother for you.
Send one of your brother for go to see
Yeah, me control it and control me third. So if you go out there, we'll catch 15 pounds of fish.
Yeah.
You know, so 5 for me.
Yeah.
Understand? So we catch 20 pounds.
So 5 of you same way or 10 of you? Or
5 for me same way.
5 of you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Any amount you catch, you're supposed to get 5?
The third.
Okay.
If you catch 40 pounds of fish, you know, a third of that how much.
Okay.
Understand?
How a third of that, people? You tell me why a third of that. Third of 40 pounds of fish?
Yeah.
Alright. Comment down below.
So if you catch 40 pounds of fish, 10 pounds for me.
Alright.
And you get 30 pounds.
And then get 30. Alright, that's not bad. Alright, I can walk around from the other side now. It's all Monday out here, I got full Monday now. Eh? Whole heap of people I got there out here. Yes, I. Yeah. I don't know if I'm
Rastafari never leave her. So even when the road get rocky,
Okay, so then scale fish.
around here, so them scaly fish them. When
My virgin, I own that place, I'm dead. And then electric, say I'm scale fish up there.
Oh.
Yeah, them scale fish up there.
So I say everybody come and scale them.
They used to scale down so about 3 places. Place deep down.
So they used to scale them around this too.
No, man. Up there.
Yeah.
Then they used to just go through up there and get nothing. You're real giant. Well, go on the boss.
Oh. So then just come around here so come scale them. And you can buy right here so too. Can buy fish right? Nah man, we not have video man. I know you we have video. But it not catch you. It look like it depend on you, but it not depend on you man. It not depend on you man. Alright, my boy. So yeah people, I say fish there.
Yeah, right, that's everything there.
Alright sir. So if people come here and want to buy fish, then can buy from you?
Yeah.
Alright sir.
Anyone away?
Anyone I know?
Yeah.
Alright. Big up yourself.
Every time, big up yourself though.
Alright.
How are you doing here?
Eh?
Where are you?
Yeah man, Family TV. Alright sir. Bless up. Yes.
Yeah man.
So we are walk round. Yes. Yeah man, so I'm gonna look out there now.
Fishing on after doing it, go hook and line.
Eh, you throw hook and line around here so too.
Yeah man, yeah, so them have to hook and line out there.
Yeah people, don't watch what their brother say a while ago. I just say it go people. See some people around here start throw a line. Look like the Rasta catch up a while ago. Walk up there go see. What? You catch a little ticky.
I get some nice broom out there man.
Sometimes you catch some nice bream out here. Oh. Sometimes you catch some big fish.
That's a couple $1 million.
To make this? That's the area tour guide, you know. Boss a jump off, make me say, hold them. Watch there. How that big swimmer?
I don't post it.
How that big swimmer? No, video yo. Hellshire Beach.
Oh.
So then can make yourself turn one reef and long you go out, stretch you go further out.
Plan we go up there with the boat, I have money. What's that sitting there? So when you pick up the front side place, because we don't have no beach, so I don't have to have a little beach. I want a little beach down there. See a little beach down there.
Oh, down there so?
Yeah, I want a little piece of beach.
Oh. So you say you want dip on camera?
Yeah, man.
So you can swim?
Yeah, man.
See some little youth where them say they can't swim. Do something now, me see what you can do. Watch ya. Boss it. Hold them. Yeah. Say big swimmer them. So you learn to swim?
Huh?
How teaching you to swim? You no self teach you know?
I teach yourself.
Oh.
Nobody learn to swim.
Nobody not teach you know. You no just learn off and learn by yourself. So watch and learn. Yeah man. So them learn to swim out here. Alright, big up on yourself in the air. Alright. Blessings.
You want to see yourself on TV?
What channel name?
Yeah man Family TV. So it's YAHMAN Family TV. Yeah man. Yeah man Family TV. Yeah.
I look on YouTube. Look on YouTube, you see. Let's get some brim. Let's look up at that tank on that.
Eh?
But when the boat turn on, we get bigger fish.
Yeah man.
But people that can beach now, well, man, now. During the week, you know, and sometimes people come. Sometimes enough people come. They say it's Monday. You know, ram, you know, a place to walk.
Over here go full up.
Yes.
That's true. During the week right now, so a whole lot of people now.
People
Really?
they are still, man. You understand now? Preaching.
Yeah man, I know that one day.
Preaching.
And they say artists them go. Yeah, so nation we just walk out Hellshire's place. Hot.
Yeah.
So we get to juice and drink too.
That's your man.
So Daddy Irish show me place and thing. But people, if you no can help out Daddy Irish man, just help him out. Him information down in the description. Tell them your number again, Daddy Irish.
876
Yeah.
812 1768. That's my number. Yeah man, and if you can help me, I like want some help to fix the boat, yeah. And I want some little more help to do something again. So because when you can help me, I'm not glad for it, man. Because I know that I'm on YouTube already and all I know me all about Daddy Irish, I sing music and things. So, and people like the song them. So if anybody want any of the song them or the album, can make me know what I go on. And call me and tell me what I go on. So left to you if you want it.
Yes,
If you like it and need it, can contact me. Yeah man, bless.
So if you don't want none of the CD them, contact Daddy Irish. Map them as well. Some nice lyric songs. So you can check him out and think. You want to give them a piece of one of the song them?
Yeah man, I sing on the beach already. Yes, on the beach, away me get me steam fish. Yes, on the beach away me get me steam fish. Out a sea when me catch me fish you see. Girl when me love her where they call her Ranjin. Pan the land say me fishing pan the sea. But nothing in this world impossible to me. Fly like a butterfly, we sting like a bee. Walk on land, you know me swim up on the sea. Count from a 1 to a million and 3. On the beach, oh Lord. On the beach, oh yeah. For on the beach where me get me steam fish. Yes, on the beach where me get me steam fish. Alright, just a little top big here, you know, so.
Yeah.
You know how it go. Because me have them record already and rhythm everything the funny. CD is there. You can go for your CD and make no seed. Cut it there so.
Yeah.
And me cut one CD.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go for one CD for you see a CD look and thing. The sun out here very hot. Yeah man, Hellshire Beach. As me say, if you don't know where Hellshire Beach is, it's located in Portmore, St. Catherine, Jamaica. So Hellshire Beach is famous for the seafood and the vibes. So anytime you come Hellshire Beach, you go, it's full of vibes. They don't have a lot of spot over here to swim anymore. They used to have a nice beach area, white sand beach, but now the wave come over and take over all of that. As you guys seen a few of the sea already. But yeah. But now it's famous for its cuisine. Your fry fish, your fry bami, you name it. Anything Jamaican with seafood, you can get it at Hellshire. At night, I think they have some little event out here them keep at night. And on Sundays and on holidays. So yeah. So if you guys in Jamaica, Hellshire Beach is a place definitely you need to check it out. Alright? Yes, no man. So yeah, we're there with Daddy Irene. Gone inside for one CD for you guys can see what it look like. Oh you see him forward back here.
Yeah, all the CD look there. Yeah.
So you want to give them one more song off our CD?
Yeah man.
So them know what they might get.
Eden, yeah, alright. No matter what Eden they must say about I and I. Boy, some saying us dead and go get what. But remember the old time saying, I want no dead, no dash away. I want no dead, no dash away. Eden, yeah, alright, just a little touch.
Yes,
I'm coming back with the next one.
So him normally would have play some music, but no internet no day here.
We
right
can't
now.
get me, we can't my laptop can play here.
You have your laptop can play
the laptop then.
Oh.
So we can bounce to music, we can hear a little more.
Yeah.
Yeah man. The other one. Say me check Sandra at a gate last night. Her mama come out like she want to have a fight. Told me flash, check back the other night. Her daddy come out said son that no right. So me move, Sandra me move. Now go on like me rude. Me just a take it cool, you take it cool. Cause everything in life you can't to rush things, you know, you just take your time smartly. And God will help you too, cause me need some help, and if you don't like me sing, then and what me I do, me I go play 2 tunes, little more, me couldn't hear. Soon come back.
Yeah.
I go for me things.
So now stay tuned, alright?
I go for my laptop.
Yeah, go for your laptop and things. Then I go for the laptop and the music, say where you go, all a little vibes and show you again. Alright? Stay tuned. Come in now. Morning. So that area go give you a live performance for no people. Inside do they call outside out.
On the beach where me get me same fish. The beach, on the beach where me get me same fish. Out to sea, me catch me fish, we make me fish tea. Yes, out to sea where me catch me fish, you see. Girl where me love her, where they call her Ranjin. Born pon the land, say me fishing pon the sea. Nothing is world impossible to me. Fly like a butterfly, we sting like a bee. Walk pon land, one of we swim up and Count from a 1 to a million and 3. On the beach, alright, me give a little touch.
I go to the next one.
Children crying in the ghetto. Look how the children dying in the ghetto. They got no mom, they got no dad. They need someone like you. So give an helping hand. Give them an helping hand. Wake up in the morning feeling sad, sad and blue. Walk around town all day long. They come back still the same. Helping hand, alright. So I give helping hand, boss it.
Yeah man, daddy and I look at helping hand. So if you can give him a helping hand, people, please do. Yeah man, you want to try find the next song for me.
Then, yeah, alright. But what then them a say about I and I? Why? No matter what then them a say about I and I. Some saying this and some saying that. Some saying I stay down go get fat, oh yeah. Remember the old time saying. Remember the old time saying. I want no dead, no dash away. I want no dead, no dash away. Then, alright, then boss again.
Look now man, I'm gonna go and find more songs.
Yeah, alright. Oh yeah, oh girl, Elizabeth. Girl, I love you so, Elizabeth. Girl, I want you so. Please don't you leave me, please don't you go. You know I love you, baby. You're the prettiest thing for me, girl, Elizabeth. Want you so, oh, Elizabeth. Girl, I need you so. Please tell your baby with all of my heart. I'm in love her with all of my heart. Hear that?
Yes, Daddy Irene. Say one more for them.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Alright. Let me check Sandra at a gate last night. Her mama come out like she want to have a fight. So me flash, check back the other night. Her daddy come out, said son that no right. So me move. Sandra me move. Now go on like me rude. Just a take it cool. Just a take it cool. My baby, I love you. And I don't want to lose you. Me move, alright, me move.
Alright, so people, if you don't want to hear more of Daddy Irie, he must sell the CD. The CD, then what you CD? $5 in Jamaica and $500. So if you guys want any of the CD, just contact Daddy Irie. Right? Him have the CD them phone. And guys, remember, if you guys can help him out, please help him out. Him link, his number is in the description. And also, we are gonna make a YouTube channel for him as well, so you guys can also check him out on him YouTube channel. It don't build as yet. We are gonna build one for him and we are gonna upload a video on it as well. Alright? But as it upload and thing, as we create that video, as we create the channel, we are gonna drop it in the description. Alright? Sorry for me, I twist up the words and man thing. I say it go sometime. Nervous. But yeah, so we're gonna create one for him and thing. So people, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys help out Daddy Irie. Alright? Enough love and respect.
I'm gonna do a YouTube channel, so if you see me on the YouTube channel, please me asking of you subscribe, because I need the help. I need the help badly, so that's why I'm gonna put out a video for myself and have my own channel. So if you see me on my own channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much. God bless all of you.
Yeah. And remember, subscribe to Daddy Irie channel. So we are gonna name it Daddy Irie?
Yeah man, and Daddy Irie Pan the Beach.
Pan the Beach. Daddy Irie Pan the Beach. So we are gonna name the channel, alright?
This is Daddy Irie. Subscribe to Yaman Family TV. Please subscribe to it for me, please. Yes, I wonder. I said I wonder. Yes, said I look down the road and I wonder how far I am from God.